All right, guys, we are gonna go through the best method I know how to be able to get fast notes, fast and clean. It takes some time to do it. You probably need a practice session that's like, 10 or 15 minutes because you need to do repetition. And so I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna use measure 56 and 57 in the viola part and in the second violin part. So let me just demonstrate what those sound like first of all. Here's the one in the viola part. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. And then I'm gonna turn my metronome on and see. I'm doing 128 beats a minute right now. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, go. That's the goal. Here's what it sounds like for violin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now just stick with me through this process. The first thing we're gonna do is double the first note that you have. Okay, so the first note that everybody has is a D. Alrighty? So you're just gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, start it with a down bow instead of a rest. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, what that does is it just allows you'll be able to think that later and just kind of like ghost that note or something or go, okay, or 1, and then start with the up bow. Anyway, if you double the note, you can go, okay, but right now we're gonna back up the tempo a bit. And we are going to play that slower and with a crooked rhythm or a skip rhythm. You know, when you skip across the floor, it's like da 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 da. That's like if you actually, I'm not going to skip, but yeah, if you're skipping along the playground. So now that's probably too fast to do this right now. But you know that little gear thing down at the bottom in your YouTube app? Or screen, whatever, change it to like 75% and go slower and then rewind it and come back. So it'll sound something like this. Ready, play. Okay, and that will probably be super slow if you do the rewinding thing. So let me just play this at tempo with the metronome going. This is the viola part, then I'll do the violin part, and you can just come back to where you need to go and do the repetitions at slower paces until you work it up to the 100% tempo. Here's our 100% tempo. Oh wait, let me see. So I'm thinking of the skip rhythm. Ba ba da ba da ba da ba. 1, 2, ready, go. That was the viola part. Let's do the second violin part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, wrong string. My bad. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so rewind it. Go back, make it slower, and then practice it slow, and then come back to this video. Like, don't skip the slowing down part. Yeah.